Hey everybody, I'm just going to make one of the many ways to make a nice fresh salad dressing. Pretty basic ingredients. If you don't have, say, the red wine vinegar, it's a good investment. It keeps for a long, long time. I'm going to use two kinds of oil because I don't want to just use straight olive oil. I want to just do a mix. So come on down here. Put the camera down. Let's see if I can do this good. There we go. Oh, and look at my container I like to use. I don't have the little wheel that goes on top here. This is super old Tupperware, but it's very faithful. It has the little ticks on it, half cup, whatever. So I'm going to start by cutting up. I have about 3 or 4 garlic cloves. And you've met my little my little guy. He's a vampire garlic vampire. Get it? Okay. So boy, these guys are big. So I'm gonna just crunch them down, and then I just like that. Okay, a couple times around the horn, and he seems to do a really good job. Okay, so I'm just gonna splat them out like that. Sometimes there'll be a teeny bit left on but that's okay. Okay, this is all I need. I am going to go ahead and put that in first. It's a lot of garlic, but this makes a lot. And we like garlic. How about you? Okay, next, we're going to do the oils. So it's only, like, I'm just making a little bit, like a half a cup. So I'm going to put half olive oil and half, so in other words, a quarter of each. Maybe a little bit more olive oil than the pure vegetable I like. I don't like canola anymore. Just going with the vegetable oil. Put that in, like that. We are going to use a half a cup of red wine vinegar too. Same thing. I like to use the same thing, same container. Oh, that's hard to get off. Okay, am I in the camera? Yeah, I am. Okay, we're going to do this. Get that in there. Just almost a whole one. Okay. So, half a cup of oil, half a cup of vinegar, bunch of garlic. We're going to use some, if you don't have Dijon, just a mustard that you like. We're going to use honey mustard. I don't have any Dijon. I have whole grain in there, and I have, what else do I have in there? Like a honey sweet Bavarian. So this is the closest thing to Dijon. But if you have Dijon, use that. I don't use it enough. I tend to use the other ones. This is a tablespoon, and it's a hefty tablespoon. Okay, get in there. Plop. And then a tablespoon of, can you guess? What else? Parmesan cheese. What? But I'm going to use Romano. But my old recipe says Parm. So I'm going to put we like it a lot. So I'm going to put maybe 2 or 3. You can put 2 if you want. 1. And this is more Italian themed, right? With the garlic and the Parm. Like I said, this is Romano. I like this brand, but man, is it expensive. I wait for it to go on sale. Okay, so really, is that all, Shirley? Well, you can put a little salt and pepper in to taste. I'll put a little salt in. Okay, and how about some pepper? Like pepper. And you could leave that out or do it how you like. Now, the thing I love about Tupperware is that it really does seal up, okay? And so you can give this a shake. Shake. And you're pretty much good to go. If you double this, maybe use your hand blender. But you want to get it emulsified, that mustard in there, and blend it really, really good. It's very, very good. Okay, let's see. I'll taste to see. See? And you can use this on any, like just fresh vegetables if you want. I'm tasting it. Woo! It's got a little kick to it. That's what we like. So maybe give this a go and taste it as you go along. Like don't put as much mustard in, say, and then try it and say, oh, yeah, I could go with a little more mustard in there. And this is the red wine vinegar. This is the one from Aldi, and I think it's fine. You want to make good hoagies at home? The secret is these two on the bun plus oregano, and you bake the bread, and that will taste like a real pizza den, a real official hoagie, instead of just that hoagie sauce that you're gonna pay more money for. Okay, I'm done here. I have some pepperoncinis we're gonna put on our salad. Every vegetable in the house is pretty much gonna go in here. But I like this on like just cut up cauliflower or cut up broccoli, and you know how I soak it in that marinade, whatever, macerate in it. And it's really good like that. So I just like this. This is a real basic. If you have some lemon juice you want to put in there, go for it. That's good too. Okie doke, that's it. So here's our salad. Shake it up. You can put other spices in. I hear your questions out there. Like if you want to put more oregano in it. But I like this kind of plain because then it will go on cauliflower without super being tasting like it just only should be something Italian. So I am going to just dress this because Thane and I are having something light for dinner, and I know we're going to finish this part of the salad. It's on a flat plate. So I'm putting that all over, and it'll have time a little bit to marinate. So there we go, and I still have plenty left for next time. Okay, ain't it pretty?